Are you looking for some home remedy to make your hair faster, longer, and healthier? This video is for you. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dee. So, I am living here in Egypt. Yani, to all my Egyptian followers there. Sabah al-Khair, Ya Jama'a, Ana Didi, Ana Henna Fenmas. For today's video, everyone, I'm going to show you some of my home remedy for doing my hair mask. So, come with me and watch my video. See ya! So guys, this is what all we need for doing our hair mask. We need our bowl, spatula, our blender, and banana. Let's start, guys. Here is our banana, guys. We're going to do our banana hair mask. Do you know, guys, that banana help your hair for growing? It has the vitamin B6 that promote the hair growth, guys. So, let's do our banana hair mask. So, we're going to need our bowl for later to store our banana hair mask and the spatula to collect all the banana hair mask for later, guys. So, we're going to use this blender to smash our banana. We need to do a very fine mask banana, guys. So, for me, I'm having a very long hair. I'm estimating how many banana I can make. So, I will do the 3 first. And if I'm going to need more later, I will add it more. So, guys, I really love also banana as my hair mask because it's also have a variety nutritional elements like it has an excellent source of vitamins, magnesium, potassium, and silicone that can help restore damaged hair, guys. Especially me, I'm always doing my hairstyle, so I'm getting so many damages on my hair. This can repair my hair damage, guys. So, banana also pack for hair considered a natural super conditioner that adds bounce to our hair, increase endurance, and improve its manageability, guys. So I really love to do my banana hair mask that makes my hair more looking healthy. If you really want to make your hair grow faster, you should trim it. I know it sounds weird because you want to make your hair longer and you need to trim your hair. But regular trimming, guys, are exactly what your hair needs to encourage healthy growth hair. And it will get rid also of your split ends and the breakage which can travel up the hair shaft, damaging your strands and minimizing volume, guys. You can also eat some protein-rich foods, guys, so good hair health starts from the inside as well. So guys, our banana hair mask is getting fine now. And I think I'm going to add some more banana on it. It's already 3 banana. And I will add 2 more banana because my hair is very long and this 3 banana is little for my long hair. And if your hair is not very long, 3 banana is enough already to make your hair mask. Applying hair mask, guys, like once in a week can help your hair to grow more faster. Another way also to make your hair grow faster, take a hair boosting supplement, add a multivitamin to supercharge your added protein intake. You can either look for a vitamins that made especially for the skin, guys, hair also, and nails. Or you can speak to your GP about the right mixture of vitamins and minerals you may need more of. So you can get some vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, iron, omega-3 fatty acid, guys. And take a note for this very important information. Since I was young, I was hearing already this information. They said you need to brush your hair at night to make your hair grow faster. That it's over brushing, guys, can weaken our hair, but Giving your stresses a few strokes before bed can actually help smooth natural oil through your length to avoid dehydration and stimulating scalp circulation. It also helps prevent knots forming while you sleep. So I think this is also a legit information from our ancestors. Look at that, everyone. Now it's very fine hair mask. Do you know, guys, that you can use this banana hair mask to stop the hair fall? You can just add 2 spoons of honey on it, mix it well, and apply the mixture into your hair, focusing on the roots and tips. And you can leave it for 30 minutes and rinse it with the warm water. So guys, our hair mask is ready. So we're going to apply it into our hair. Let's go. Here we are, everyone. So we're going to need our wooden hair brush. So when you use a wooden brush, guys, you really notice, the first thing you will really notice is it feels like it's giving you a scalp massage. And this wooden hairbrush really, it makes your hair grow faster. The scalp massage has another major benefits for the hair. And it's really distributing natural oils and anti-static and less damaging. And it's more sustainable. Do you know, guys, that the wooden hairbrush is really perfect if you want to smoothen your hair and add volume and distangle? Both wooden combs and wooden brushes distribute the scalp natural oil throughout the hair, providing shine, nourishing, and bounce. And this is also really very effective, guys, to promote hair growth. Brushing with the wooden bristles, brush massage the scalp. This brings blood circulation to the scalp and stimulate hair follicles to promote the hair growth. So that is one of my best secret for my long hair. I'm using the wooden comb and the wooden brush. This is my hair, everyone, before my hair masking for today. So this is my first brushing of the day. Let's see what will be the result after our hair mask. Let's start applying our banana hair mask, everyone. So I choose banana because it can help with hair development and strength due to their high vitamins content and variety of qualities that benefit the scalp and hair follicles. Here's how banana help your hair to grow healthier and stronger, guys. It has vitamin and minerals. Banana are high important vitamins and minerals that promote their hair health. Vitamins A, C, B, C, folate, potassium, magnesium are example of this. Banana also have moisturizing properties. The natural oil and moisture found in banana can help moisturize the hair from within. This is especially good for reducing dryness and promoting overall hair and scalp health. Adding on it antioxidants, banana include antioxidants such as vitamin C, which aid in the fight against oxidative stress. As you can see, everyone, I'm really happy with this banana hair mask. Feeling really good. I'm feeling like it's improving already my hair, scalp health. It has the vitamins also and minerals in banana help to improve overall scalp health by reducing the dryness, flakiness, and itchiness. So a healthy scalp creates an ideal environment for the hair growth, guys. So feeling really relief with this banana hair mask. So guys, our banana DIY hair mask is a very simple path to have a healthier hair. So making our banana hair mask can be a very quick and easy solution to encourage a healthier hair. And banana also have a high vitamins, minerals, and natural oils which nourish and moisturize your hair, making it more smoother, shinier, and easier to manage. Banana hair mask, guys, is very easy to do it at home. You just need some banana and smash it until it will form like a smooth paste, and you can just easily apply it into your hair, into your scalp. And you can also add some honey or yogurt for extra moisture and shine if desired. This mask dehydrates and nourishes your hair, leaving it smoother and more manageable. You can also mix, guys, the banana to a coconut oil mask. So, you know already coconut oil is well known for its ability to penetrate the hair shaft and provide intense moisture. And this mask, guys, can aid in the repair of damaged hair and improve your overall texture hair. And if you want also some high protein, you can mix the banana with the egg mask. You can just easily smash the banana and mix and beaten egg truly, then apply it to your hair. It has the high protein which help to strengthen and encourage healthy hair development. Guys, this mask will give your hair volume and luster. If you also have avocado in your home, you can mix it as well in your banana mask. This avocado, guys, is very powerful of vitamins and healthy fats that can deeply hydrate your hair, leaving it soft and lustrous. Leaving the banana, guys, into your hair is making your hair very hard. We're done applying our banana hair mask, guys. So we're going to use our claw clip and we're going to cover our hair to get all the benefits from our banana hair mask. It's getting a little bit sticky, my hair, everyone, because of our banana hair mask. So, I'm going to wait for about 30 minutes. Then, I'll see you later. OMG, everyone. So, my hair is kind of stone. I don't know what happened. So, this is my hair after 30 minutes leaving our banana hair mask. It's really very, very hard, guys. As you can see, everyone, there's also some pieces of seed of banana on my hair that's stuck on my scalp. So, guys, we really need to rinse it very well because of those seeds in my scalp that stuck. We're going to wash it with the shampoo and conditioner. I'll show you the result later. Here is the result, everyone, after the washing of our hair mask. It's really nice and amazing. I'm feeling really so light on my hair and it looks more healthier than before. It smells so nice, smells banana everywhere. So, thank you for watching, everyone. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.